Hello everybody. Today I have come up with unboxing of a blue light blocking glasses which I found through internet through Amazon, and this one is one I got from Amazon, and the name of it was Van Linker. And basically we are all working through computers all the time. There's some blue lights emitting from the lenses always. So what is our best strategy to make our eyes more safe is to use one of these glasses. These glasses are basically with no power. There is no specific power for them, so it can be used by anyone, and there is no worry of being adjusting our eyes to these power to our power or not. If you are using contact lens, this also could be used because there is no power into it. So let's go ahead and open up and what's there in this box. So this is what the blue light blocking glass looks like. I have bought the amber tint. Remember, we do get without the amber tint as well. So this one is an amber tint. It's better to have a tint and also to buy one without the tint if you would like to. The reason why I chose the tint was there's one more thought process. There's like, as we reach the night time, it's better to use glasses with amber tint, because you know that we have something called a circadian clock, and if we tend to use the screen more during the night time, our brain starts waking up. The strategy to have a good sleep is like by around, say, the time when we sleep, whatever time would be for you, at least 1 hour before we should slow down our activity. So that's one strategy, and that's why this amber light comes into play, because we do have a control. We don't have a control of when the email comes, or when we are chatting, or when we are viewing a YouTube video or a movie, but we do have a control of having a glass. So that's why the importance is to have an amber glass, a tint, amber tint glass. This will also help in reducing the activity for the brain, so thereby you will slow down, and even though you are viewing the screens, your brain tends to slow down, because this one makes that part. So apart from that, so this one is a blue lights. I will show a display of how this blue block tint works. So this one also has one keychain enabled, but this one also has something called as blue light. So, and they also have a tester here, and this tester is, if I put this blue light over here, you can see there is something called, it becomes blue. So basically this is what they are simulating is our iPad or iPhone or our any screens which we are using, computer screens which we are using. And this is the amount of light which comes through, which emits through a large screen. The larger the screen, the larger the emission comes from. And just remember, this is what happens to your white screen. So just imagine what would happen to our eyes with constant exposures. And when I pass through the same thing here without the glass, but here with the glass, and you can see there is same light, but nothing happens here. So this is the blue light test area, and you could see this, and this is what happens. So this is what this glass actually protects our eyes from. Definitely a good buy, and definitely you should look for, if you also have some eye problems, or if you struggle with the constant viewing of screen, and if you are in a work wherein you have it's a constant need. So an investment like this would be definitely a plus. This also comes with a wiper, which we can wipe it off, or it also comes with a wiper come bag. So this can be used as a wiper, and also it comes as a bag and as a pouch, you could say. And there is something called something here also, and this one is again a screwdriver with a keychain enabled, so we can use it. So Good one, good buy. Definitely try it. And this one I definitely liked it. You can also use as a sometimes for a dog. When you are in the dark, you can use it for opening the keys or some sort of like that. So they made this tool to test the blue light, and also they made a keychain out of it. So that's a good plus for us. So yeah, so this is what it is. I will come up with another video, another product which will enable our life easier. As you know, this channel is dedicated for that. And so this one is basically a blue light blocking, and I will come up with another video. Until then, goodbye, take care.